Hello, good morning. So guys, today I'm going to unboxing this VGA to HDMI converter. So sometime it will be very useful when you are using a projector. In that case, you need this converter, VGA to HDMI converter. Okay, so it is one of the useful converter. So if you are trying to use this kind of converter, then in that case it will be very useful. Okay, so guys, uh, just you have to watch this entire video to know more about this VGA to HDMI converter, and I'll make a review video of this product. Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So without any late, let's start to unboxing and review of this product. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to unboxing VGA to HDMI converter. So it is very useful when you are using a projector which will support HDMI cable. So I think almost every projector will support the HDMI cable. So now you can see here, it will support the Windows 2000 also. Oh my god, and it will support Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Mac OS also it will support. Okay, so that's why it is one of the amazing. Okay, so inside here it is the actual product, and now you can see here is the full SD 1080p. Okay, and here is the SDCP. Okay, so I'm going to unbox this one. So this is the actual product. So now you can see here, so inside here, so here is a USB cable. So I think I need to give the input from this side. Okay, so it will for the power. Okay, so you can use this one using your mobile charger also. Okay, so just to use this converter, first of all you have to, okay, so you have to insert the micro USB here. Okay, so after using the micro USB, oh my god, yeah, and you should to keep the power from here, and here is the VGA, and here is the aux cable for the sound. Okay, so it is one of the useful things. So I think it will be very useful, and as possible I'll make the review video also for this one, VGA to HDMI cable. Okay, so guys, now I'm connecting the VGA cable, and now you can see, so this is all the materials available inside this package, and you need this kind of converter also, and you can connect this converter. And now you can see here I am just connecting the all the things with the VGA cable. Now you can see here the VGA cable is connected with the monitor and it's working. Hoping that you get few ideas about this VGA to HDMI converter. If you have still any kind of confusion, let me know in the comment sections. I'll make a separate video on that topic also. So if you get some knowledge from this video, share this video to among the people, and it will give me some motivation also to make more videos on this YouTube channel. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.